welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I'm going to explain about the branch management in Jainam Software. So you are aware that you can use the groups, you can create the groups and then assign the groups to the customer, and for mobile collection also you can use those groups actually. You can call it as like customer list as well. But with the upgraded system, now the branching concept is implemented. Okay, so and it will be mandatory to use the branch concept. So what you'll have to do, you'll have to migrate your groups to the branch. Okay, so what you have to do, you can access all your groups from here, customer group or list. Okay, so what you'll have to do, those groups you can see in the branch hierarchy as well. But what you'll have to do is you'll have to create your topmost branch actually. You can call it as your head office, or you can give it to your the topmost region, business region actually. Okay, so you can create that group, that branch first. Okay, now under that branch, you can create your further branches. In case you do not have any branch, at least you need to have one top level branch that you can call it as head office. So um, I have created, just for demo purpose, that I have defined a country level branch, and then under that state level, then within state I have cities, and in this specific state I have a region like geographical region and then city. So this is logical branching. You can define as per your requirement. You can have country, state, then you can have region. Within region you can have center, and center after that district, and within district you can create groups if you want. Okay, so now in case you are already using the groups, you have a flexibility now that you can select your group and migrate to a new branch actually. Okay, so for example, if I had to create a new branch or a group, it has to be under a specific branch actually. Okay, and your existing groups can be migrated from here. Okay, you can select this, select a new group, and then transfer it. Okay, so all your customers will get automatically transferred to uh, that new branch. Okay, so the functionality of field collection, list assignment will not be impacted. It will still be there actually. It will not be impacted because of this branching. But going forward, as I said, it is mandatory to use the branching concept because it will empower uh, the your like different branches management actually. Okay, now how it will work, that in HR management, in employee list, you, for your employees, whoever working in that branch, you'll have to give the access of that branch. Okay, so for example, let's say if you are not following any branching concept, okay, let's say you don't want to use any branching concept, so what you can do is master setup, go to branch hierarchy, at least define your top level branch, and that top level branch you can give access to your in HR management employee list. You can give that access. It is not basically giving access, because access is not derived from this branch setup. Access is basically derived from access control list. So we are not tampering any access by setting the branch setup is just for recording the transactions for that for those branches. Okay, so what you can do is you can search your headquarters. So let's say for that employee I want to set up, let's say, Maharashtra branch. So I select search here, select this branch and add it. Okay, so this branch is added to that specific employee. Okay, so that much you'll have to do if you don't want to use the branch follow, but you'll have to definitely convert all your groups to branches, and for your employees you'll have to assign the top level branch actually. Okay, because ideally they will be working in just your one office or one branch, so you'll have to do that. Then now what is the importance of branching here? So every report, collection report, status report, detail report, your business summary reports, everything will be filtered as per the branch actually. Okay, so what does it mean? That let's say I have created 5 customers. Okay, so I'm going to explain you now the if you want to follow complete end-to-end branching concept, I'm going to explain now that in master setup branch hierarchy. So here I have created country, state, city branching. Okay, and in customer, when I create customer, the lowest level branch will be available. So in this case, state will not be available for me or country. So I would say leaf level branch will be available for assignment. Then if I go in all list and just refresh, then you can see customer is Chennai, map to Chennai, and customer map to Mumbai. So similarly, just for easy understanding, and then I have 5 loans created. So for every customer, I have one loan created. Okay. Now, if I so what is my default branch or working branch right now? It's India. Okay. So if I go to status report all party list and refresh, I can see 4 loans here. Okay. One loan is closed actually, which is loan number 3. So that's why it's not showing here. Okay. Now let's say I want to understand a business from Gujarat state. Okay. So I should ideally see only 2 records here. So I changed my branch to Gujarat, set branch and close. So that is my default branch. Now everything is filtered as per that branch. If I go all party list and refresh, now I can see only Ahmedabad and Surat. These two branches customers. Now if I want to further drill down and see, okay, if there are like uh, if I'm a branch manager for that specific city, okay, in that city you let's say you have maybe multiple branches, so I want to only have the access to the specific city. So to you can create HR from HR, you can create your employee, and to your employee you can set up a branch that is the Surat branch. Okay, you can search Surat branch. Okay, Surat is the list level actually. That's why you are not able to search, which definitely after this demo I'll fix that part. But you should be in position to search any branch. So here, that's why it's allowing me to search at least one level higher branch actually. Okay, so that's fine. It will get sorted out. So, okay, now, so, okay, if I change this branch to, let's say, Tamil Nadu. So, and if I just go to, let's say, if I want to say status report and summary of loan. So summary will be filtered accordingly. I have only one loan which belongs to Chennai. See customers Chennai and this loan. Okay. So that's how it will work in the branching concept. And if I log in using the customer, and one more thing, let me explain about the branching. So in HR management, access control list, staff, let me give access to account and journal entry. Okay. And let me sign out. I'm logging using that customer, staff, and then accounting. I want to make one entry. Now you can see that the branch is Gujarat branch selected for that staff. Now staff would like to work in a specific branch, let's say Ahmedabad branch, set branch and close. And here journal entry and payment, cash payment of 500 to tea and coffee. tea tea and coffee expenses 500. Save. And let's say for that staff expense of Surat, and that went through bank. For same, under same expense head, okay, and I click save. Now let's try to sign out from here, and I log in from admin. Let's try to understand how it works now. Now my branch, I want to see my current branch is Tamil Nadu. So definitely when I go in business summary and account statement, I should not be seeing any records actually. So if I see tea and coffee expenses happen today, I don't see anything actually. But if I go higher branch, that is my head office, and if I click, and now if I see here, I should be in position to see all the expenses here. Okay, I'm seeing India, but let's say if I want to see Gujarat, then I can see both because they are part of Gujarat. But if I want to see Ahmedabad now, only an Ahmedabad related expenses, then I can see only for that specific city expenses here. Okay, so that's how everything will get filtered as per the branching actually. Okay, and your reports also. Now if I just go here and see if any record in Ahmedabad, I'll see one record here. Okay, all right, so that is how the branching implemented in a very easy manner actually. And within a company you can have multiple branches, you can define branches logically, and recommendation is like you defined country, state, and country, state. Within state you can define multiple four regions, you can divide state into four regions. Then city, you can also divide city into four regions. Then you can have city, within city, uh, then regions, within regions you can have centers and then groups. Okay, but this is just a recommendation, you can define your own hierarchy. And because hierarchy it's just logical, in case you want to change you can change in future also. Okay, all right, thank you so much. And in case any query, any doubt, please get back to us. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.